Hi guys, so today we're gonna change a bulb here on the Mercedes. They're pretty old and there's a brake light that went out, so I got a light on the dash that was on. I'm gonna show you really quick how easy it is, and I wish most modern cars it would be that easy. So the first thing you do, you remove this cover here. See that? Everybody removed it. It comes off without undoing any bolts. Pull it aside and you can see the bulbs in there. So see that light is just for the interior, for the trunk here. There's the other ones. So for example, this yellow one here, let me take it out, half a turn, and here it is. So turn signal one, put it back in, twist, and it's back in. So it's just that easy. Put this back on and your bulbs are changed. Close your trunk. There we go, all done.